First thing you want to do is go out to the Edge Security website and download Metagoofil. As you can see, I've already downloaded and extracted it. If you go inside the directory, you'll notice the Python script Metagoofil itself, a couple of README files, along with the HTML output from a couple trial runs I've done before making this video. To run Metagoofil, I'm going to drop out to a command line and get root privileges because I may need to install some packages. To run Metagoofil underneath Ubuntu, you have to make sure the libextractor package is installed, which you can do with apt-get install extract. As you can see, I already have the package installed. Next, I'm going to change directories into where I've extracted Metagoofil. If you run Metagoofil without any parameters, you should see a list of the different options you can use with Metagoofil. -D lets you specify the domain to search on. In my case, I'm going to choose irongeek.com. -F specifies the file types to try to download. I will choose all, but you can specify just PDFs, Word doc files, Excel files, PowerPoint, and other types. L limits the results to work with. The default is 100. -O specifies what file you want to put your output to. And -T is the target directory where you're going to put temporary files. When you run the script, you'll do a query of Google for all those different file types, then download those different files and use the extract tool to see if you can find any useful metadata in it, then generate an HTML document that you can open up to view the results. For the irongeek.com domain, it doesn't reveal a lot of useful information, but you can see it found a PDF. You can find out what application I used to create that PDF, and it also finds a PowerPoint document, and you can find some information about what machine it was saved from, who made the last changes, and so forth. Metagoofil also puts in the bottom of the report possible usernames that you could use for doing a pen test later on that domain. Strange that it didn't find the account name Adrian, since that's what I used to save the PowerPoint slide presentation, and it is in the metadata. Also, you can see that I previously generated a report of informaticon.org. Inside this HTML report, you'll find out information about the various PDFs that Droops is hosting, such as what software he's using for creating those PDFs, as well as more information about the document's creation time and who made the files. While this video doesn't best illustrate the power of Metagoofil, if you use it on a larger domain, there's all sorts of information you can extract from this metadata that allow you to do either social engineering during your pen test, or possibly doing brute forcing from the usernames that you require. It's possible that when you first run the Metagoofil tool, you may get an error message saying it cannot find the extract utility. If this is the case, open up the Python script and edit the variable that points to the extract utility's path. Once this is done, you should be able to run Metagoofil without any issues. Click Next whenever you're ready to continue this tutorial.